Did you know that the Victoria Water Lily, though found in the Amazon, is actually named after Queen Victoria? Well, it is, and we have an awesome specimen here at our store. I'm Mary with Nelson Nursery and Water Gardens, and this is such a cool, unique water lily. It is found in the Amazon rainforest, but they have cultivated it to where we have it here in Texas and in all sorts of water gardens all over the world. Now, what's so cool about this particular water lily? Well, first of all, take a look at how gigantic this lily pad is, and it can get even bigger than this. Also, have you ever seen the top of a greenhouse? Well, guess what? The water lily structure here is what they based that greenhouse off of because it's so strong and can handle weight. The last thing you gotta know about a cool Victoria water lily is be careful. You notice it's covered in all these spikes here. It goes all the way down to its root system. Even its flower buds are covered in spikes. So when we work with these guys, we are always very careful, have gloves on, and this is the Victoria water lily. You can see it right here in Katy, Texas.